Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Reena.MayyBeauty if you didn't know already. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys my May and June glossy box, which I was pretty excited to get. I did search on their website about what they actually give us and everything. So yeah, let's get into it. So first I'm going to show you the May glossy box, and I'm actually quite impressed with it, even though it was my first glossy box that I did get. So let's get into that. It was called Daydreamer, the May glossy box. So I'm going to show you guys. So basically this box right here was the May glossy box. So the packaging is absolutely nice. I like that it's all like pastel colours and everything, and it has like a logo here. So first up in their glossy box, obviously I got the information sheet here, and then in the glossy box I've got the True Soft conditioner. I've been seeing this literally everywhere, and obviously I've got a little sample size, and it's 100 ml, so you get quite a bit. It's like quite big. And also got their shampoo. So I do have both of them here, and that was in the May glossy box. Both 100 ml each, and they are vegan and cruelty free. So it's a softening argan oil we've got inside, so the sulfate free and the color guard complex, and it's produced in Sweden. I'm happy I got them too. Next up I have got the Double Effect Makeup Remover, cleansing and calming for eyes and sensitive areas. So if you're sensitive, this will be great for you. So yeah, this is the makeup remover, like that. And this is 100 ml as well, and it removes waterproof and long-lasting makeup. Then next I have got, just for feet, Jelly Foot Soak. So when I got this I thought, oh my god, what is this? Like a jelly foot soak? Like, really? So it says it's a relaxing foot treatment to calm problematic and overworked feet. So this is like lavender and lemongrass one, and literally I've seen a big hype about these. I don't know why, but yeah, they're literally, people are going crazy over a jelly foot soak. So I will want to try that. I haven't tried it yet. There's like a little sachet in there. So basically the benefits of this is, so it soothes tired, aching feet, helps with athlete's foot, eases foot odour, natural eczema treatment, vegan friendly and safe for diabetics. So that is that. And then here I have got, so We Are Tea Sleep Good Night with lavender and chamomile. It's a whole tea leaf bag, and obviously I can't show you guys because it's in this little packet here, and I don't want to open it yet. So yeah, I can feel it's in there, so that's good. And I think they retail for, for 15 tea bags it's £3, or 12 tea bags. So for 15 Earl Grey tea bags, because I do Earl Grey in that brand, it is £3. And for the sleep one that I have here is £3.50 for 12 bags. So the May glossy box comes with a boots mask. So it's a charcoal and willow bark cleansing and purifying mask. So it's a sheet face mask. So it's one of them with the holes. So one from the eye holes and the mouth and the, yeah. And that comes free with the glossy box. So basically I have got the Trifle Cosmetics palette. So it's one of their palettes, and this is the full size. Even though it's so tiny, it is their full size. So you get a little applicator with it, but I won't be using that. So I like my brushes. So that is the May glossy box. I'm very impressed with that, and obviously the box is my favourite colour as well. Purple, who couldn't love purple? But yeah. So June obviously is their classic pink glossy box. That's their pink glossy box. So it's got these bits inside, so let's get onto that. So first up, I've obviously seen this on the advert, like new on advert, and I was thinking, what the hell? And then obviously it comes in my glossy box. So I saw it on the advert so this product I saw on the advert a couple times, and I was thinking, what? how would that work, sort of thing. And then it comes through on my GLOSSYBOX, so I was like, yes. So this is the Wilkinson Sword Fab Razor, the one you can glide forward and back at the same time. Basically here it retails for £12, and obviously that's the full size I've got. So it's got a water activated gel that allows you to shave forward and backwards. This razor has changed the way we shave forever. Now you can get silky smooth with ease. So yeah, it retails for £12, and yeah, product is Mystic Black Novex. So this is a, I think, yeah, it's a black hair mask. So I've got this Mystic Black Novex deep hair mask. So it is, let's read it from here. So it looks quite good actually. So this is a sample size. That's quite a good size for a sample size. So this is 100ml, and it's a black deep hair mask. It's meant to leave your hair feeling hydrated, free of frizz and tangles and split ends. And it's free from nasties as well, and sulfate free. And this retails for, like, the actual full size retails for £11.95. It says apply to damp hair and leave for 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. So I have smelled this. It smells good. It smells good. So it's like white. I thought it would be black because it says Mystic. And then the next one, I was kind of good. I got this. So this is a Nip and Nab exfoliate scrub. So this is a 50ml sample that I do have here, which is really good. I haven't tried it yet either because I just literally got this. So I will be trying this. I don't know, I have never tried this brand before. I have seen it around a lot, but I haven't tried it. So this is the eye cool gel that I've got here. I don't know if you can see it. And this says this is a full size, which is a different picture on here. I don't know if you can see at the top. Up here, it's like a proper bottle applicator. This is like just a tube. This is just like a tube. But anyways, it says it's full size. And it retails for £24.95. And the last one of these, I left this to last because I'm very happy that I got it. And it is a cream contour stick, and this is full size as well. It's so good, literally. I'm using it today. Don't know if you can see it as good because the lighting, but yeah. It comes out like that. Like that. I think this will last quite a long time as well, but yeah, I'll definitely be buying it again maybe. It does retail for £18. So yeah, that is that there, all done and dusted. And obviously I'm going to tell you guys which one I prefer. So the GLOSSYBOX I do prefer is the Daydreamer GLOSSYBOX. The products inside there were absolutely so good, and obviously I will be using them all, literally. Some interesting ones in the Daydreamer one as well, which I'm very excited to try. So that is that for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Leave a comment below if anything, and subscribe if you haven't already, so there'll be plenty of videos coming soon. So yeah, bye guys.